The reason I joined it was because I wanted to try something new. It's for the experience entering high school, new start, and just for the experience to see what I'm able to do in this class.
My favorite thing about teaching audio video is watching the students' knowledge and understanding of production grow as they make their way through high school.
It's my hobby, my life. I'm gonna go after this in college and hopefully get a good degree. Make a movie someday.
My favorite thing is to be behind the camera, recording everybody, seeing the story unfold, seeing how everything comes together, becoming one in part, and making sure it all just ends up being as perfect as it can.
The reason I decided to teach audio video production is because I saw an opportunity to teach the future generation of the industry.